Archie.
My brother's present.
Oh, your brother's present.
Yeah.
Oh.
My brother's
Yes, sir.
present. All the presents.
They haven't had milk, have they?
Nah.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. You're not happy.
Oh. I think the car.
Oh. Oh. Silly Josiah. No, you don't touch it. Nah. Levi. Okay. Oh, I know. Open, show. Open, show, baby brother. Which one says Josiah? Levi, which one says Josiah? Right here. Which one says Josiah? Hmm? Which one?
Yeah.
Which one?
No, the X.
Oh. What's that? Oh, Jace.
Wait, let's change diapers first, honey.
I was so
I was thinking you can open it so they'll stop crying.
But they
Josiah.
won't play with it.
Josiah.
Let's open the other stuff first.
Okay.
Josiah.
All right. Okay. Communicate.
This Josiah, Daddy.
Oh yeah, that is Saint Josiah. How do you know? Okay, I'm chulo. Chulo Josiah.
Come on, here, Mama, for you. Mama, right here. Bonnie, Mama. Right here.
That's okay.
Who's that
Oh,
Saya?
who's that? Whose car is that? Huh?
Oh, whose car is that?
Look at it.
Who's that for?
What's that for?
Josiah.
Oh, kamu Josiah lo.
Josiah here. Mommy, my whole king just.
I hope him. Oh, Saya, look, Saya. Take the milk.
Yeah.
Wait, this is Saya. Wow.
Okay, we got no next one.
Oh, Levi too.
Who's next one?
Who's this one for?
Yes, hello.
Yeah.
Pedro Jackson. Jackson. Oh. Okay, hello. Open up. Oh,
You go fast.
Yeah, we better go cool now. See? Ooh.
Not a car.
Okay. Oh, another one. Oh, look at this. Who is that one?
Look, Jackson. Oh, look at this. So press the button, the yellow one on the front right here, baby.
Yeah, the window.
I'm Rob. I'd like to race, racing, chasing.
Oh, no, Mucho Jackson. That's Jackson. Okay, see?
Rob.
Alright, how about this one? Last one. Who is that?
That was Jace. Jace right there.
Oh, Jace lives.
Here.
Yeah, 'cause look, it's not a car.
Oh,
Oh, Jace lives, huh? Wow. What does that one say?
This one.
It's on the window. Watch that window.
This car.
What does that one say?
This one.
right there, baby.
Daddy.
Yeah?
I think this car going to this one.
Oh. Oh, okay, yes, sir.
He wants you to hold it.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was
You know what he's
No,
saying.
yet. Don't show them that yet. We gotta open all the gifts first. Okay, more gifts, Levi.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Let's not do those. Let's do this one right here. I don't know who that one is for.
Probably the whole family. Wow, somebody is having so much fun over there. okay. So he's making his way over the cliff. And he is curious, what is this right here?
Jackson, sit, come on. Sit still.
This guy here is still trying to finish his milk.
Jason's very patient waiting for his. He understands. He's so cute, y'all. Jason's such a big boy.
I know. Oh, wow. So serious.
Wow.
Ooh. He is on task. Ooh.
Okay, go ahead and open the next present.
Are you ready for this, Mommy? All the noise?
Oh, cool! I think this one is for... What size is this? 24 months. Oh, this is for your brother. 2 years old. Not quite ready for that yet. Okay, open another one. This one here? How about I help you, okay? You open that one, Mommy open this one. Okay?
I like to tear presents.
Oh, you like to tear presents? I like to tear presents.
Jake looks like he doesn't know what to do with his toy.
See, you get to open it all for your brother, for
And
y'all.
Jackson, he's interested in knowing what's going on. Oh. Oh.